What's going on, guys? Mike Sheemer here, and I'm just going to, after maybe 4 or 5 months, finally clean by hand the Frugal Escalade rims. I do need to get a car wash overall, but I get a cheap monthly car wash. It's like $20 a month, unlimited washes. Scratches up the car a little bit. It misses a lot in the wheels, misses a lot in the front, and definitely in the back. So I do those by hand if I have the time, which the past year I have not. So, I mean, you can see it looks pretty good from a distance, but you know, if you start in the beginning of this video and then at the end, you'll definitely see a big difference, you know, even from a distance. But I want to get the car in here in the entire frame. So I got this used for cash a couple years ago almost, and doing fantastic. Very few issues. Tires are in great shape. I replaced the battery, basic maintenance, all that stuff. So yeah, just a heads up. I'm gonna wipe down the interior too, which you just use some cheap, I guess you're supposed to use, you know, leather cleaner and all that kind of stuff. But you know, I just use something pretty cheap, not a big deal, and just wipe it down. Or you can use some wipes, which I have. You know, I got them for free, so I'm using those. But anyways, so I do have, you know, I usually use just cheap generic stuff, but I did spend $10, $20 on just some cheap stuff from Amazon, where you could go to Walmart or something. This is Meguiar's Hot Rims Chrome Wheel Cleaner. Then I have some Armor All Tire Shine I got for, you know, Christmas present or something like that. And yeah, I'll use that at the end for the wheels. But and just a bunch of rags here. I don't plan these videos. I don't plan this stuff very well. I got 2 kids, so I just kind of do what I can when I am able to, you know. So I'm gonna spray it. I'm no expert on detailing, but you know, I think you've seen in my pictures that my car, I try to keep it relatively clean. So I can't be doing that bad of a job, you know. This is a 10-year-old car, so I think it looks pretty darn good. Looks a lot better than 10 years. So do a little spray and pray, get the middle, get the outsides. That's when the fun really begins. Getting in between where they miss everything and where the dust and all that stuff really adds up. So, if you know New England or anywhere in the north, the winters are rough, so I haven't cleaned it all winter. You get sand, salt, dirt, you know, everything just kind of staining and corroding. So it's not good that I missed it. The car washes help, but overall, you really have to get in there, get the job done. Again, I'm not doing a perfect job, but it makes a difference. I know this is boring, but you can just fast forward or whatever you want to do, I don't care. I just do this for me. Get some cheap, easy content on the YouTube channel. So, not a perfect job, but I'd rather do 70, 80, 90% than none at all, and then have these nice rims get scratched up further, corrode further, get stained. So it is good for the tires to keep them clean when you can. I mean, good for the wheels, the rims. Tire too, I'm sure. Once in a while, wipe them down, but I'm gonna wipe them and then I'm gonna do the tire shine at the end. Probably should use bigger like towels or something like that, but I just use a bunch of small rags. Some different ones so I'm not just rubbing dirt back in. No, I'm not just rubbing dirt around. It's not fun though, not fun with bad knees and with a bad back, but you know, doesn't take long for each wheel. Doesn't take long for all 4 wheels. The car, I used to wash all my cars myself when I had sedans. I had a Mercedes C300 4MATIC for a while. It's great. Again, I bought that used with cash. Wonderful car, but then I had 2 kids, 2 giant car seats. Not, you know, with the wife and kids, it was packed. Not much room for things. We made it work for a little while, but after that, had to get an SUV. I wanted to keep that car forever, but it just wasn't practical. Great car though, I liked it a lot. Alright, so I'm getting pretty close, or at least good enough. So, I'm just gonna get the tire shine going. So I'm just gonna coat the rag, or at least a clean part of the rag. Real good. Again, I don't really care if I'm doing it the right way or not. I could care less. It works for me. Gets the job done. There you have it. Again, I would do a little bit more if it wasn't a video. Just do a little bit more on the inside, and you know, so it's almost like a mirror. It's so clean. So might not look much different right now, but rewind the video to the beginning versus now, and now I got to do the rest of the wheels and wipe down the interior too. Thanks for watching.